Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2020 Forest River Gray Wolf. This is a 29 TE, and this one's equipped with the extra bunks in the back. You can also get this floor plan with a second bedroom down there on the end if you don't want the bunks. So this is a wood framed coach. The studs are 12 inches on center. Most wood construction coaches are going to be 16 on center, so it's a little better built. Got storage here, goes through. Got 4 manual stabilizers. So the good thing about the manual stabilizers is you can put them down independently. With the auto or the electric stabilizers, they go down 2 at a time. So if you're on unlevel ground, you're gonna have to shim one of the legs. Got a power tongue jack here, 2 20-pound LP tanks, so you can get those filled or swapped out just about anywhere. Got access to the water heater there, which is 6 gallons. It's gas and electric. Got outside shower here with hot and cold water, fresh water and city water connections. This trailer has 1 slide, which is the sofa, and the U-shaped dinette, which we'll see here in a little bit. Got a cable hook up here, and your sewer outlets are right down there. Now this slide has the Schwinn slide mechanism, so it's machined aluminum tracks there on all 4 corners of the slide, pulls that slide room in evenly from all 4 corners. Got some storage here underneath one of the bottom bunks in the bunk room. This has a fold down rack that will hold up to 200 pounds, full spare tire. Also mounted, it's wired, has a mount for the reverse camera that you can add to it. Got giant outside kitchen here. This refrigerator freezer combo. Storage there, a sink, ice maker. 2 gas burners. And then this door here, I'm 6 foot and I can walk under it, and I've got like 4 or 5 inches to go, so that's nice to keep the sun or the rain off of you when you're using it. It does have the leash latch there. Hook the dog up. Big power awning goes across the main entry door. Just have a blue LED light strip underneath it. And we've got the second entry door here that goes right into the master bedroom. Got 2 outside speakers, spot to hang a TV, black tank flush, so just go flush out that toilet water real good. And then we've got TV hookups and power outlets there. So the main entry door has the solid steps come all the way down to the ground. When they're not in use, you lift those up and they snap into the sides of the door frame. You walk inside, here's the bunk room back here. We've got 3 large bunks, and then storage here, cabinets, and a big giant cabinet there with storage. Spot to hang a TV as well. U-shaped dinette that will make down into a bed. We've got storage on both ends. These drawers are 3.5 feet deep. There's 1 on each side. This has the zebra blinds. So it's a daytime and nighttime shade mix. You can have it there like nighttime where it's all blocked out, or daytime where it's open, or you can put it all the way up. Got a jackknife sofa here. Lift up on the edge, it will lay down flat. A little bit of storage underneath it. Here's the kitchen here. We've got 2 drawers on the end. The sink's at an angle. It's a gunmetal apron style sink. Wash about anything in there. Gooseneck faucet. Storage up above, microwave with the slim profile hood there. Fan on it. Turn lights on and off. Stove here, 3 burners. Just have a glass cover here so you don't lose the counter space. You want to let something on there. You turn those lights on and off. It says the new fridge. This is a 10 cubic foot Furrion all electric fridge, runs off of the 12-volt deep cycle battery. That battery is going to be charging anytime you're plugged in or anytime you're towing, or if you've got this one which has the 50-watt solar panel, it's always going to be charging. So you've got a battery disconnect down there to turn all the power off to it, but this does have a solar panel on the roof of this trailer that's constantly trickle charging your 12-volt deep cycle battery. We got a pantry here with 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, lots of storage. Could use one of those at my house. Got a spot here for a TV. And TV hookups there. So you got the main bedroom. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom you can walk through to get to the main bedroom. So you got toilet here, glass corner shower. So that second entry is actually coming right into the bathroom. So that's nice if someone needs to use the restroom, they're not walking through the whole trailer. Skylight there for extra height. Fantastic fan here. Sink with storage underneath, storage up above. A walk around bed here with storage on both sides. Goes across the top, down the other side. This does have power outlets on both sides and a USB port. A spot to hang a TV with TV hookups in here. Again, this is a 2020 Forest River Grey Wolf 29 TE. This is the one with the bunks in the back. We do have the fold down rack and the solar panel on the roof of this one, which are all options. We are Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come visit.